Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Gibbers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Chrysler 300C sedan, stock reference number 4688. This shape runs from the 11th month 2005 through to the 12th month 2011. It has a 5.7 litre V8 petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 5.7 litre V8 Hemi petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the Mopar Extra intake. This vehicle is fitted with 20-inch XHP chrome mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror in chrome. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 20-inch XHP aftermarket mag sold as a set with good tyre. There's the left-hand tail light. Right hand tail light, right rear XHP 20-inch mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage, less door mould. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror in chrome, and a right front XHP 20-inch mag with a good tyre. This vehicle's fitted with leather interior. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with wood grain, cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.